Hi, you're back with Paulsen Sports Cards again. We're doing a live box break of 2007 Sweet Spot Football. There should be 4 hits in this box. It's a very nice looking product. I've opened several boxes of that. This is my first live box break. So let's see what we get. Drop the box.
Thank you.
Okay, first base card, Trent Green, serial number to 499. Next base card is Clinton Portis, numbered to 499. This next card is kind of a beautiful card. Bills rookie quarterback, Trent Edwards, patch, 2 colors, numbered to 50. That's a beautiful card. Another beautiful card. John Beck, autographed mini helmet, numbered to 99. Possibly the Dolphins starting quarterback in 2008. My daughter's not very happy over there right now. Another beautiful card. Dwayne BOWE, auto mini helmet, numbered to 15. And last but not least, another pretty good player, Kevin Kolb, possibly the Eagles starting quarterback in 08 jersey. Not serial numbered on that one. Remember, as always, all of these cards will be placed on eBay. Just as soon as I get done with this video, just go to eBay and search for Paulsen Sports Cards. You can also check me out on MySpace by searching for Paulsen Sports Cards. And hope you enjoyed. Thanks.